Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and confirming you are in the right account. This avoids sending the wrong profile. Once logged in, tap your avatar to open the profile screen so the app shows your username and snap code. Make sure notifications or permissions aren't blocking share options. If they are, grant temporary permission. Then, locate the three-dot More or Share button on your profile. This is where the link and sharing controls live, so proceed directly to Now you tap Share or the three-dot menu on your profile. Choose Copy Link if you want control, or use Direct Share to send immediately to an app or contact. Copying puts the profile link on your clipboard, so you can paste it into messages, email, or social posts. This is the most reliable method. Once done, paste the link into the draft message and double-check it displays your username so recipients land on your exact profile when they open it. Finish by pasting the copied profile link into the chat or message and hit send. Tell the recipient why you're sending it so they know it's safe. If they report it won't open, first confirm your account isn't private blocked and that you copied the right username, fix typos, and resend. If links fail, export your snapcode image from the profile and send that instead. Recipients can scan the snapcode in their camera to add you. This bypasses link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.